What's up, guys? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, bro.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our class again. Wow, that's great. We meet again today, guys, everyone, and that's really great. And I just want to say welcome to the new class. This is your first day. You have a class in this level, okay? That should be basic too. Okay, you are in Basic 2 right now, guys. We had a class Basic 1 previously, and you level up your class in Basic 2, and that's really, really nice, everyone. Thank you so much. And I just want to say, yeah, welcome back to the new class and enjoy your class. It's because today is the first day. I would like to tell you about the information about the class and the rules about the class as well, and anything about the class. And we go again learning the first topic. Okay, guys, before we talk a lot this time, I would like to ask, hey, not us, maybe just open the class first. Teman-teman masih ingat ya moto kelas kita bagaimana? Okay, so let's say it. Anyway, guys, if you want to open your camera, that would be all right. Come on, don't be shy. Okay. Well, guys, good morning and welcome back to our class again with Speaking Partner.
We
are the
Are the best
best
partner.
partner.
What's password?
Smart.
Thank you so much, guys. Really great. Guys, today is Monday. Okay, it's the first week and the first day in this level. And I would like to maybe teman-teman yang lain sudah kenal Bro Vicky ya, karena kemarin kelas sebelumnya sama Bro Vicky. Maybe but for the new one, it's the first time you have a class with Bro Vicky. I just want to introduce myself. That my name is Bro Vicky. You can just call me by Bro Vicky. That's totally okay. And I'm from Surabaya, guys, and I'm a search teacher, your partner here to learn English. Okay, guys, that's about me. And by the way, I will tell you about the rules of our class. Okay, the first, remember that everyone. We are in a basic 2. We are still in basic, guys. Basic 1 and basic 2 is almost the same, but we will have the more conversation. Ya, basic 1, basic 2 itu ya hampir sama, tapi bedanya pasti ada bedanya. Bedanya itu kita akan conversation atau speak yang lebih banyak, lebih panjang gitu teman-teman, lebih jelas, speak in detail. Itu bedanya. At the next part in this level, you will learn more about the grammar. Grammarnya itu grammar for speaking ya teman-teman. Jadi grammar yang digunakan untuk ngomong, bukan ngerjain soal kayak gitu. Nah, langsung diaplikasikan penggunaan untuk ngomong. Okay, that's it everyone. And remember, in the basic, kita masih kelasnya basic teman-teman. So, don't be afraid to make mistakes. The grammar, the pronunciation, just ignore it. Yeah, it's okay. We can learn from the mistake, guys. So that's why it's okay. Gak tahu ditabrak aja nggak apa-apa. Nanti dicari bahasa Inggrisnya apa. Yang penting harus pede. Okay, so actually the first is just be brave, guys. Teman-teman, be brave. Beranikan aja. Okay. Nanti if you always brave, if you're always brave to speak English, it build your confidence to speaking English. Gitu. Kalau kita berani itu bakal membangun kepedean kita ya guys ya. Confidence kita dalam ngomong bahasa Inggris. So just be brave everyone. So how to be brave is the one thing that you can do, open your camera when we have a class. Dibuka kameranya teman-teman, itu salah satu untuk membangun PD kita dan berani kita. Okay. Profik, I cannot do that. I have still something to do right now. Oh, it's okay. Kalau teman-teman masih belum bisa buka kamera ya, it's no problem. Senyamannya teman-teman aja. But at least setidaknya ketika di breakout room kita conversation dialog gitu guys ya, lebih dibuka aja kameranya guys biar asik ngobrolnya, biar hidup juga ngobrolnya. Okay? Got it. That's the point. Okay, guys, look at this. It's because English is about habitual. Okay? So namanya bahasa Inggris itu butuh terbiasa, guys. Namanya bahasa apapun ya. So I ask you to make it English like your habit. Vicky minta jadikan bahasa Inggris kayak kebiasaan teman-teman. What does it mean, Perfect? Yeah, you must use it everything using English. For example, we have speaking, we have what again? Speaking, listening, writing, and satu lagi apa guys?
Reading.
reading, that's good. So that's why the first is start from ini guys. Maybe let's say reading and listening. Reading and listening is our input. Ya guys ya. Jadi kalau kita ingin ngomong banyak bisa itu harus banyak kosakata guys ya. Oke. We know how to create a sentence well. Kita tahu nih bagaimana cara membuat kalimatnya nih. Enak nih, mudah nih. Tapi kalau kita nggak punya kosakatanya guys, kita bingung mau ngomong apa. Oke. So that's
Ya.
why just find a lot of vocabularies. By what? Dengan apa? Yang pertama reading. Oke, yang suka membaca buku is good. Suka membaca komen-komen gitu guys ya. Komen-komen di TikTok itu kan lucu-lucu guys ya. Atau apapun ya, berita apapun, try to find it in English. Coba membacanya baca cari yang bahasa Inggris. Buku-buku bahasa Inggris. A simple way. Ya guys ya. Kalau jurnal, aduh jangan jurnal bahasa Inggris guys. Nanti pusing nanti. Oke, ya simple book that you like. Ya, baca dibiasain baca bahasa Inggris. From reading, we can get new vocabularies in it. Pasti kita dapat kosakata banyak di sana, guys. Oke. And the next part is listening. Listening juga input kita. By listening, we can trail our vocabularies as well. Especially our listening. Mendengarkan ya. So, we need to get used to it. Kayak biar supaya kita terbiasa, guys. Especially listening to native speaker is gonna hard sometimes. Ngomongnya cepet banget, Bro Fik. Itu ngomong apa tuh? Native-native itu ya. Ya, we need to get used to it. Kita memang harus terbiasa, guys. Okay, so that's why from listening. Dari listening kita juga bakal dapat yang namanya kosakata baru juga. Kosakata, guys, vocabularies itu nggak hanya kata aja. Kayak eat, makan, makanan nanti food, minum drink, gitu guys. Tidak seperti itu aja. Nggak kata aja, tapi ada frasa, ungkapan-ungkapan gitu guys ya. Nah, ada idiom ya guys ya. Ada slang word kata gaul. Nah, itu teman-teman bisa dapatkan dari reading, listening gitu guys. Oke. Meskipun nanti Bro Vicky juga bakal kasih ya tentang vocabulary, tentang slang word, kata-kata gaul di bahasa Inggris, idiom juga sama, atau bahkan yang lainnya, kosakata lainnya. Oke, nanti Bro Vicky pasti kirim setiap hari di grup kelas ya guys ya. That's it everyone. And the next part is speaking. Ada speaking and writing. Speaking, writing itu sebagai output kita, guys. Kalau inputnya sudah bagus nih, kita dapat kosakata banyak tuh. Banyak teman-temannya. And then when we speak English, it should be easy. Kita bakal mudah untuk ngomong, guys. Okay, so that's one. Speaking. Just make it English. Iya guys, tadi listening ya. Tadi listening. Listening itu teman-teman nggak harus listening dengerin kayak orang ngomong bahasa Inggris. Ya se-enjoynya teman-teman. Teman-teman suka dengerin lagu boleh ya, but English tetap sama ya. Lagu bahasa Inggris kalau bisa, guys. Yang biasa suka dangdut, asik nih guys. Dangdut itu asik banget gak sih, guys? Oke. It's okay, it's good, Bro Komani. Jogetin Bro Fik. Oke. Boleh. Okay, so try to listen English song. It would be better, guys. Okay, this one. Okay, nanti ada kok bahasa Inggris yang dibuat koplo gitu, guys. You can try it, guys. Okay, but try to use English, okay? Podcast, maybe guys ya. Podcast itu juga boleh kok teman-teman. It's up to you. Terserah teman-teman mau dengerin pakai apa aja. Yang penting try it in English, gitu, teman-teman. And then is tadi sudah inputnya sudah selesai, outputnya ada speaking sama writing. Kayak kita ini, we join the class in speaking partner, speaking. Berarti kita itu berlatih benar-benar ngomong. Karena bahasa itu pada dasarnya komunikasi, guys ya. Itu ngomong, teman-teman. Ngomong. Jadi teman-teman apa yang dipikiran teman-teman itu omongin aja. Jadi jangan takut untuk kasih pertanyaan nih, what is your hobby? Terus bingung, nanti hobi saya apa ya? Salah gimana ya? It's okay. Kita belajar komunikasi itu kayak mengekspresikan apa yang ada di pikiran kita dengan ngomong. Kita belajar ngomong, guys. Oke, bukan kayak matematika 1+1 pasti 2. No, it's communication is difference, teman-teman. You can just express it. Itu, guys ya. Itu biar teman-teman nyaman untuk bahasa Inggris itu sendiri. Oke, speaking. Oke, di speaking nanti kita belajar banyak ya, cara ngomong lebih banyak gimana, we learn about the pronunciation. Nanti Bro Fi kasih tambahan pronunciation juga teman-teman. Okay, it's really important to have it. Okay, yang penting kalau ngomong itu memang dibuka, guys. Mulut kita itu biar membentuk rahang kita biasa, biar gak kaku gitu, guys. Okay, so just kalau mau bilang saya ya I, jangan I eat rice. No, I eat rice is better. Okay, itu membuat biar gak kaku, guys. Nah,
Buka
biar terbiasa.
mulutnya.
Buka
Buka.
mulutnya, bener banget gitu, guys. It builds it builds your mouth, guys, biar nggak kaku, biar kita bagus ngomong bahasa Inggris. Oke, gitu guys ya. Biar nggak medok juga. Oke, that's it everyone.
Medok ya
Oke.
apa-apa.
Iya. So I want to tell you about this. It is so good, guys. Oh, itu medok banget, guys. Okay, it's good, but actually we need to be better in English. So you can just another one. Okay, okay, that's everyone ya. Okay, the next part that should be writing. Teman-teman yang suka ada status pakai bahasa Indonesia, sekarang coba pakai bahasa Inggris, is good. Oke, atau nulis apapun di biasa pakai bahasa Inggris. Writing itu juga ya penting, guys, karena spelling itu pasti beda ya dalam bahasa Inggris itu sendiri. So, just keep it up. So, while is everyone ya. Okay, that's about the class, the information, the tips as well. At the next part, before we jump to the next, teman-teman, kelasnya sama ya. Kita kelas setiap hari jam 10 waktu Indonesia Barat pagi. Oke. Linknya sama setiap harinya. Teman-teman bisa disimpan. Nggak boleh di-share ya guys ya. Karena kalau teman-teman share link ke nomor-nomor yang belum masuk di grup kelas, itu membuat grup kita terblokir, guys. So, teman-teman nggak boleh atau dilarang untuk ini ya mengirim link-link apapun yang sudah dikirimkan di grup kelas WA kita terhadap orang lain yang tidak masuk grup kita. Gitu, guys. Itu yang bikin kadang-kadang terblokir. Kan pernah grup kita dulu terblokir, guys ya. Ya gara-gara seperti itu, guys. Oke, itu nanti bisa kembali lagi, terbuka kembali dari keblokiran itu maksimal itu paling lambat ya 1 hari lagi 24 jam gitu. Oke guys ya. Setiap hari Bro Vicky juga bakal sama setelah kelas Bro Vicky bakal share link recordingnya, teman-teman bisa di-download, udah bisa mendownload semua kan? Oke, nanti ada biasanya si Lilik nih selalu mendownload dan di-upload di YouTube-nya ya, dari basic 1 sampai sekarang masih ada ya. Teman-teman kalau nggak mau susah-susah atau sibuk-sibuk mencari untuk mendownload, langsung lihat aja videonya si Lilik guys. Lengkap tuh, oke? This is good everyone. Oke, that's nice. Oke, enak ya kalau ada teman-teman yang bantu mendownloadkan gitu guys. Kita tinggal nonton aja, nggak perlu mendownload. Oke, it's good.
Thank
It's
you,
nice.
Sis Lily.
Yeah, thanks to Sis Lily,
So
guys.
helpful.
Yeah, that's good, everyone. Okay, I really cannot write. What is that, bro? Oh my god. Okay, it's really good, everyone. Okay, luwe. What is luwe?
Lapar.
Oh,
Hungry.
ya ya.
Yes.
What is kencot is lapar?
Itu bahasa
Yes.
ngapak.
Yes.
Kencot mah ngapak.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay, I just know
Japanese.
that, guys.
Ngapak, bro.
Okay, ngapak nih. Okay, great, guys. Okay, that's about this, everyone. The information ya, teman-teman. Okay, and then grup kelas itu bakal Bro Vicky buka mulai besok, teman-teman ya. Besok, hari ini belum karena masih nunggu beberapa yang belum masuk grup. Nanti Bro Vicky buka mulai besok dan Bro Vicky bakal kasih yang namanya tadi guys kosakata baru. Intinya grup kelas itu untuk English area. Nanti Bro Vicky kasih pertanyaan itu guys ya, kayak English area gitu, kayak di kelas sebelumnya. Teman-teman dijawab boleh pakai tulisan untuk melatih writing kita di chat gitu guys, atau pakai voice note juga boleh untuk melatih speaking kita, atau teman-teman buat topik sendiri untuk diskusi juga boleh if you have free time. I know everyone has their own activity. Berpikir tahu teman-teman pasti punya kesibukan lain ya, so it's okay kalau punya waktu buka dibalas nggak apa-apa, it's good everyone. Oke, biar kita terbiasa guys. Okay, that is everyone, yeah, and that's the information. 15 minutes talking about the information about the class. Anyone have a question? Ada pertanyaan guys, teman-teman?
Bro, saya
Anyone?
mau tanya, Bro.
Yes, Nurhayati, ya, gimana?
Ini Bro, kan saya nggak bisa nggak bisa masuk itu di Discord. Ya, ini Discord nggak bisa. Itu nggak apa-apa apa gimana, Bro, ya? Soalnya ini HP saya kan bukan ini mungkin karena HP HP luar gitu mungkin agak susah.
Oke.
Terus,
Oh iya,
eee,
itu Sister Hayati, Bro
itu
potong dulu ya. Jadi,
jangan
jadi Sister
jangan
Hayati, benar Bro
iya,
Vicky jawab dulu ya. Sister Hayati, jadi Discord itu bukan wajib Sister Hayati. Itu nggak harus semua
oh,
ikut ya. Itu adalah ini guys, tambahan dari speaking partner karena bahasa itu belajar bahasa apapun ya, apalagi bahasa Inggris. Itu butuh terbiasa, makanya speaking partner memberikan fasilitas lebih untuk teman-teman untuk belajar, untuk praktis 24 jam gitu guys ya. Ya full gitu guys ya. Makanya teman-teman kalau ingin praktis lebih ya ikut Discord. Apa itu wajib, Bro Fik? Tidak wajib, teman-teman. Oke? Itu nggak harus gitu
iya
ya.
iya,
Tapi
saya
lebih
sih
baik
kepengennya
ikut.
itu. Iya,
Iya.
kepengennya itu bisa, Bro, tapi
Mm-mm.
nggak bisa. Jadi saya alternatifnya di sini itu ya alhamdulillah sih, Bro, saya tuh belajar sama teman saya yang
Hmm,
mahir gitu,
that's
sedikit-sedikit
good.
gitu loh,
Is
Bro.
it good, Sister
Sudah
Hayati? Keep it up.
iya,
Semangat, Sister Hayati
terima
ya.
kasih.
Oke.
Oh, iya.
That's nice. Malah bagus kalau kita punya partner untuk ngobrol di rumah ya, guys ya. Is it good? Oke. Ya, mungkin memang sebenarnya semuanya itu bisa ikut Discord, yaitu free gratis bisa. Mungkin karena Sister Hayati kan di luar nih. Ada beberapa negara yang em, regulasi aplikasi yang tidak diizinkan atau bagaimana bisa terjadi ya sehingga kita nggak bisa mengakses itu bisa jadi kayak kita kan nggak Indonesia kan nggak bisa mengakses aplikasi yang tidak diperbolehkan seperti itu ya semua negara punya regulasi sendiri so, itu bisa salah satu pengaruhnya Siti Hayati sebenarnya bisa ya
Oh,
teman-teman semua pasti bisa karena semuanya itu free dan mudah teman-teman oke oke guys
iya,
ya Siti
Bro.
Hayati oke oke guys
Iya,
that's gonna
terima
be enough ya. Hmm. Oke
Bu,
teman-teman, ya Bu Kumar, gimana?
maaf, mau nanya,
Hmm?
mungkin adakah referensi mungkin kayak
Hmm?
eh, melatih listening kita loh?
Heeh?
Karena selama ini saya coba pakai movie kayak gitu, tapi aduh pusing, nggak ngerti.
Oh iya,
Adakah
sebenarnya
referensi-referensi mungkin agak lebih simpel
ya
gitu?
ya untuk kedepannya kita akan belajar listening juga Bro Komar. Nanti Bro
Hmm,
Vicky bakal kasih linknya juga ya, so kita biar
hmm,
terbiasa juga. Teman-teman kalau listening biasakan listening pakai ini ya. Kalau movie memang pusing. Listening yang pelan-pelan, guys. Teman-teman cari di YouTube banyak ya. Listening
hmm.
slow listening. Jadi kita biar enak tuh. Yang pelan-pelan dulu aja. Bisa pilih atau pakai Spotify itu lebih banyak pilihannya malahan. Tuh, Bro
Spotify
Komar.
lagu-lagu maksudnya?
Lagu-lagu Spotify itu gak hanya lagu aja Bro Koman. Aplikasi
Hmm.
Spotify itu bisa dengerin milih conversation. Ya kayak ngobrol gitu guys. Itu lebih ke podcast gitu loh konteksnya teman-teman. Tapi pilih aja yang slow listening biar enak. Gitu Bro Komar. Jadi teman-teman bisa
Oke.
ya. Oke. That's it.
Oke.
Oke guys, thank you so much everyone and this one. Oh ya, teman-teman yang baru ikut sama Bro Vicky nanti jangan kaget ya semisal Bro Vicky ini sudah jam 11 nih kok belum selesai. Karena biasanya Bro Vicky kasih tambahan waktu supaya teman-teman bisa praktis lebih gitu guys ya. Okay, so that's it for the next. Okay guys, let's get started. Here we go. The first day, kita akan belajar apa nih guys? Do you know what's the topic? Apa nih topik pertama hari ini?
Introduce.
Yeah, that's correct, everyone. It's about introduction, longer and clear. Longer, lebih panjang, clear, lebih jelas, itu teman-teman. And by the way, teman-teman semua sudah Bro Vicky kirim ya. Di grup kelas itu sudah Bro Vicky kirim modulnya. Teman-teman bisa diunduh, mau di ini guys, di print juga boleh. That's okay. Ada dua modul. Modul pertama itu materi kita, modul kedua itu adalah vocabulary. Iya, vocabulary booster teman-teman. You can just use it. Oke, this one. Nanti sama guys, modulnya itu sama kayak yang Bro Vicky kasih PPT ini untuk belajar sama. Cuma beda-beda sedikit lah guys. Atau mungkin coret-coretan tambah-tambah dari Bro Vicky. Nanti bisa untuk teman-teman coret juga ya. Ditulis juga. That's it. Okay guys, it's our topic. The first is introduce longer and clear. Ya, memperkenalkan lebih panjang dan lebih lengkap gitu ya guys, lebih jelas. We have ever learned it about it. Kita udah pernah belajar ini di kelas sebelumnya, tapi simple aja. In this part, we need to learn more and how to answer completely. And that's our topic. Okay, guys, let's get started. Here we go. And by the way, hari ini kita nggak ada yang namanya breakout room, teman-teman ya. Breakout roomnya mulai besok, teman-teman. Mulai besok baru ada breakout room seperti biasa. Today, we just have practice on the main room. Guys, let's get started. And here we go. Let's get the ball rolling here. We have a questions. Questions itu adalah kata tanya. Teman-teman, ya pertanyaan. Ketika kita perkenalan nih sama teman, kita tanya nih gitu. And then, how to answer. Gimana jawab ketika kita ditanya orang tuh jawabnya gimana. Ada banyak cara juga. And also we have the whole sentence, kayak kita nggak ditanya, nggak menjawab, tapi langsung nih, seluruhan perkenalkan diri di depan orang. So we can have it everyone. So let's get started. This one, the man. Questions. Questions. Itu pertanyaan. If you still remember, Bro Vicky pernah dulu spill dikit ya guys ya. Oh ya, nanti kayaknya hari Kamis kalau nggak hari Rabu, Bro Vicky kasih yang namanya pronunciation. It's helpful guys, it's helpful. Lihat guys, salah satunya tipsnya kayak gini guys. Masih ingat yang dulu sama Bro Vicky pasti pernah kita belajar yang namanya connected speech. Penggabungan kata biar bagus speaking kita. Masih ingat guys syaratnya? Ketika teman-teman ketemu sebuah kata, ada kata nih. Sebuah kata dalam bahasa Inggris yang akhirannya kata itu adalah suara konsonan. Suara konsonan bukan suara vokal ya. Oke, bukan huruf juga tapi suara ketemu sama sebuah kata yang awalannya itu suaranya vokal. Tanda miring ini adalah suara ya, teman-teman. Sounds vokal, vowel, a i u e o, teman-teman silakan digabungkan. Ya. Nih, digabungkan. Oke. Digabungkan, teman-teman. Contohnya gimana? Look at this. What is? Ya, kita biasanya bilangnya what's. But actually you can just say what is. What itu akhirnya suaranya T kan, teman-teman? Konsonan tuh. What. Ketemu sama kata lagi setelahnya is. Awalannya vokal. A, I, U, E, O. Digabungin aja, guys. What is your name? Itu bakal lebih baik daripada what is your name? Okay? What is your name? Okay. And the next part, what is your name is asking about the name. Ya guys ya. The second, what do you do for living? Or what is your job? Teman-teman tanya kerjaanmu apa? Apa pekerjaanmu? Kita pasti pakai what is your job? Come on. You can just level up your English. Lebih profesional kita pakainya what do you do for living? What do you do for living, Bro Jokopur? What do you do for living, Sis Juliana? Is it good? Then what is your job? But actually semuanya boleh dipakai ya. And then is how old are you? Oh iya guys, masih ingat Bro Vicky pernah bilang English is more than just a word. That's about the culture, the habitual, the people. Bahasa Inggris itu nggak hanya sekedar kata ya teman-teman, tapi teman-teman juga harus tahu juga tentang budaya, kebiasaan, bahkan orang-orang di sana. Oke, pasti bahasa itu berubah ya. Kayak bahasa kita nih guys, kamu ya, saya menjadi lo gue. Kenapa kita nggak tahu budaya ya nggak tahu kayak gitu, di Inggris juga ada. Oke, salah satunya adalah how old are you? It is asks about the age. Ini tanya tentang umur. And actually, as a native, ya ada yang beberapa, kebanyakan aja mereka itu nggak suka ditanya umur teman-teman. Okay, so just avoid it. Itu salah satu budaya mereka. Memang teman-temannya nggak tahu. It's like a privacy. Kalau orang Indo mah ditanya umurmu berapa, wah saya masih muda kinyis-kinyis, padahal 50 ke atas. It's good. Okay, it's good. Ini orang desa kan asik nih orangnya nih. Kak ngenyak sih guys. Alright. Okay. Itu everyone ya. Okay, it's good. Gitu guys. Itu kalau udah Indonesia kan asik nih. You know, nanti kalau teman-teman tanya orang native gitu guys ya, how old are you? Pasti kayak aneh gitu guys. Hey, who are you? Siapa lo gitu guys ya. Ini karena privacy. So, it is better you just avoid it. Hindarin aja teman-teman. Oke, how old are you? Teman-teman nggak perlu ditanyakan. Tapi kalau ada beberapa yang fine-fine aja, nggak apa-apa. Gitu guys ya. Oke, so how old are you? Nah, di sini Bro Vicky punya tanda consonant sama vokal, teman-teman. So, how old digabungin nih. How old Are you juga boleh. How old are you? How old are you? Oke. Waduh, Bro Fik susah banget tuh. Gimana tuh? Kalau teman-teman susah ya, teman-teman digabungin salah satu aja. How old itu aja, are you-nya nggak usah. How old are you? Gitu. Lebih enak. Jadi nggak harus digabungin semua. Kalau orang native pasti digabungin. Makanya ketika kita dengerin bule ngomong bahasa Inggris, itu ya cepet banget ya guys. Ya emang digabungin seperti itu. Who are you? Apa tuh? Gitu, guys. So, how old are you? Oke. Kalau kita susah ya, how old are you? How old are you, guys? Gitu. Oke. And then itu menandakan umur, guys. The next is talking about educational background. What is? Digabungin ya. What is your educational? Teman-teman. It's like about the pronunciation. Mostly, if you find D sama U, do, that would be better we pronounce like ju. Kayak dibaca ju gitu, guys. Ju. Jadi, ini bacanya paling bagus. Bro Vicky tulis atasnya sini, guys. Cara baca ya di sini. Bukan penulisannya, tapi cara bacanya. Cara baca jadi, biar teman-teman enak ya, guys, ya, untuk melafadzkannya atau mengucapkannya. Bro Vicky tadi tanda miring juga. So, educational. Bacanya gini. Educational. Ini guys cara bacanya.
What is educational?
Educational itu adalah pendidikan. So, what is your educational background? Apa sih latar belakang pendidikan teman-teman? What is your educational background? Background. We cannot say background. O-nya suaranya A ya, teman-teman. Background. What is your educational background? Apa nih latar belakang pendidikanmu? Sometimes juga bisa tanya, what is your background? What is your background? It means ya latar belakang teman-teman. What is your background, guys? Oh, my background is ini background saya. Ada yang lagi? Oke, no, bukan background yang ini ya, guys ya, tapi background pendidikan kalian. Oke, you can just mention it. Maybe the last time you learned atau pendidikan terakhir kita lah, guys. You can just say it. And the next part, guys, poin selanjutnya ada what do you do in your leisure time? Guys, leisure time, free time, spare time itu waktunya sama, teman-teman. Yaitu, what is the meaning, guys? Leisure time? Waktu? Waktu luang, waktu senggang. Iya, waktu santuy ya guys ya. What do you do in your leisure time? Leisure, bacanya gini ya, teman-teman. Leisure. S-nya itu kayak tebel gitu guys. Campur kayak Z gitu, tapi nggak se-Z ya. Campur aja, lebih tebel. Leisure. Nah, ini bacanya nih. What do you do in your leisure time or free time? Pilih salah satu aja. What do you do in your leisure time? Apa yang kamu lakuin di waktu senggang, waktu luang? Atau boleh pakai yang satunya nih. What is your favorite activity to do? What is your, digabungin juga ya. What is your favorite? The better word, if you want to pronounce favorite, you can say favorite, guys. Nih, bacanya nih, guys. Terus atasnya ya. Favorite. Itu lebih baik. Favorite. Bofik kalau mau bilang favorit gimana? It's okay. But akan lebih baik baca pengucapannya itu favorite. My favorite activity to do. What is your favorite activity to do? Tuh guys. Apa nih aktivitas favorit yang kamu suka lakuin? Itu. And then the next, why did you? Nah, teman-teman masih ingat guys, kalau ada D sama Y ketemu dibaca suaranya apa guys? Kayak apa?
Did.
J, kayak J guys. Did you nih. What did you? Ada D sama Y dibaca kayak J. Iya. Did you? What did you? Itu guys. What did you take this course Why did you take this course? Kenapa kamu ngambil kursusan ini atau belajar di kursusan ini gitu. And then what is your goal by the end of this class? Apa goal kalian di akhir kelas nanti? What is your goal by the end of this class? Okay. Well, guys, everyone, just repeat after me. Teman-teman terukan Bro Vicky. Tapi di mute mikrofonnya ya, jangan dibuka. Nanti kalau dibuka rame, guys. Oke, di mute terukan Bro Vicky yang keras ya. Nanti Bro Vicky panggil untuk practice. Guys, repeat after me. Terukan setelah Bro Vicky. What is your name?
What is your name?
Oke. Ditutup aja Bro mikrofonnya. Oke. Alright. Lanjut, guys. What do you do for living? What is your job? How old are you? What is your educational background? What do you do in your leisure time? What is your favorite activity to do? Why did you take this course? What is your goal by the end of this class? Oh, great job. So guys, last practice. Teman-teman yang ingin practice silakan raise hand. Angkat tangannya teman-teman. Angkat tangan raise hand ya. Okay. I will call you for this time. I want to go with Sis Eka first. Sis Eka. Please read that. Sis Eka dibaca yuk. All the word here. Or the sentence.
Okay. What is your name? What do you do for a living? What is your job? How old are you?
Okay.
What is your educational background?
Nice.
What do you do in your leisure time? What is your favorite activity to do?
Nice.
Why did you take this course?
Nice.
What is your goal by the end of this class?
Wow, Sis Eka, you are so good at telling that. It's really nice. Great job. Okay. Well, what about Sis Nurhayati? That's your turn, Sis Nurhayati. Oh, dibuka mikrofonnya yuk. Sis Nurhayati. Could you open your microphone? Yuk, let's go, bro, Sis Nurhayati.
Okay, bro. What is your name? What do you do for a living? What is your job? How old are you? What is your education background? What do you-
Educational, Sis Nurhayati.
Oh, educational. Oh. What is your educational background?
Huh?
What do you do in your leisure time, free time? What is your favorite activity to do?
Okay.
What did you take this course?
Hmm.
What is your goal by the end of this class?
What is your goal by the end of this
Yeah.
class?
What is your goal by the end of this class?
All right, thank you so much, Sister Hayati. So great. Okay, well, anyway, guys,
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
anytime, guys, teman-teman. Dulu kita pernah belajar yang namanya article di kelas sebelumnya ya, articles. Nah, articles itu kan ada en dan the, khususnya the nih, guys. The di sini, the. Kalau ketemu sama suara vokal a, i, u, e, o dibaca di. Jadi di by the end. The end, nggak boleh the end. Karena setelahnya itu ada suara vokal and. Nah, the end, the apple. Nggak boleh the apple. Kalau the book, baru the. Karena setelahnya itu book konsonan. Nggak suara ya, bukan huruf. The end. The end.
What
The
is your
apple.
problem?
Okay, good job, guys. Let's continue to the next. I want to go with this Uma. That's your turn. Let's go.
Thank you, bro. What is your name? What do you do for a living? What is your job? How old are you? What is your educational background?
That
What do
should
you do
be
in your
this Uma.
yeah,
Educational.
educational?
Yeah,
Okay. What is your educational background?
that would be
What
better.
do
You say dibaca J.
edu?
Nah,
Edu.
that's good.
Okay. Okay. What is your educational background?
Nice. Okay.
What do you do in your leisure time? What is your favorite activity to do? Why did you take this course? What is your goal by the end of this class?
Wow, good job, Uma. So good to hear that. Thank you so much, guys. It's gonna be enough everyone ya untuk yang ini questions. Oke. Nah, kita lanjut part kedua, teman-teman. Sekarang kita udah belajar question. Remember that one, question. Boleh teman-teman kalau ketika perkenalan kalian yang tanya pakainya seperti ini. Poin-poinnya ini aja, teman-teman ya. Oke. Teman-teman tiba-tiba udah selesai ditambah nih, what is your number? Apa tuh minta nomor? Oke, jangan dong. Oke, well, let's continue. Here we go. Sekarang kita belajar how to answer. Answer. Ingat kita nggak boleh bilang answer ya. W-nya nggak dibaca, guys. Answer. Answer is how to answer. How to answer. Nah, and this is caranya juga banyak, teman-teman. Bahkan teman-teman punya cara sendiri juga gak apa-apa sebenarnya. So, ketika ditanya pertanyaan tadi, guys, it's like, what is your name? Teman-teman boleh, my name is, okay, my name is, my full name is, look at this one, guys. Kalau konteksnya formal, ini formal ya, teman-teman, that would be better you say your full name. Itu akan lebih baik teman-teman jelasin nama lengkap kalian. Itu konteksnya formal. Kalau casual, ya nama nickname aja, langsung aja. What is your name? My name is Bro. My name is Vicky. My name is Bro Komar. My name is Jesse. Is enough. Tapi kalau formal, lebih baik teman-teman bilang nama lengkapnya. Nanti yang tanya bakal, how can I call you? Panggilannya gimana nih? Gitu pasti. Oke? It depends on the situation, formal or casual. What is your name? Jawabannya, my name is, digabungin juga ya. My name is, my full name is, nama lengkap nih. Atau langsung simple aja. What is your name? I'm Tassi. I'm Lutfi. It's okay. Gitu guys. Teman-teman. Ketika udah ditanya nih yang namanya nama, ya you can just say, how do you do for a living? Or what is your job? Ditanya seperti itu, teman-teman jawabnya boleh. I'm a atau an. Masih ingat ya penggunaan a dan an, teman-teman? I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I'm an artist. Boleh. Okay? So, you can say that. Artinya saya seorang gitu. I work as, saya bekerja sebagai, berarti lebih ke profesi kalian gitu guys ya. So, I work as a teacher, saya bekerja sebagai seorang guru, oke. Lebih ke posisi kalian itu sebagai apa juga boleh. Oke, semisal nih guys, teman-teman bilang kayak gini nih. I am a teacher and I work as the headmaster. Oh gitu guys. Saya guru nih, tapi saya sebagai kepala sekolahnya. For example, this one. Okay. Now, and then is I work on, I am maybe an employee. Saya adalah seorang employee. Itu adalah, guys, what is employee?
Karyawan.
Karyawan. I am an employee. Pegawai. I am an employee in this company. And I work as, apa nih guys? Assistant of gitu ya guys. Saya adalah seorang pegawai. Saya bekerja sebagai asisten apa atau sebagai akuntan atau apapun gitu. So you can just say it everyone. So actually you can say I'm a teacher. I work as a teacher is okay. And then is I am a teacher. I work as English teacher. Berarti gitu. Saya kan seorang guru. Saya bekerja sebagai guru apa? Guru bahasa Inggris. That's for example. Oke, I don't work but misal teman-teman nggak kerja nih. Ya, it's like housewife misalnya. I don't work but I am a housewife. Saya seorang ibu rumah tangga. I don't work but I am apa nih guys ya? I don't work but I'm fresh graduate. Saya itu lulusan baru nih, jadi belum ada kerja. It's okay. Okay. I don't work but I'm employment. Berarti belum bekerja juga. Okay. And then you want to say, ditanya nih guys, how old are you? Nah, caranya ada yang pertama, ketika ditanya umurmu berapa, I'm around, berarti gabungin ya, I'm around, artinya saya sekitar, itu akan lebih baik teman-teman pakai ini ya. Oke, I'm around, saya sekitar 20, 30 gitu. Kalau sekitar, teman-teman nanti jawabnya bisa kayak gini. Semisal nih, teman-teman umurnya 20, 20-an gitu guys ya. Oke, bayangin kita ini 20-an guys. Biar mudah gitu, oke. Nah, 20 is 20. 20. 20 ya, 20. Teman-teman boleh ditambah S kayak gini. Ada tanda petik, ada S-nya. 20s. Artinya 20-an. Berarti sekitar 20-an. 30-annya 30s. 40-annya 40s. Itu ya. Artinya an gitu guys ya. I'm around 20s. Saya sekitar 20-an gitu guys ya.
80s.
80s. 80s. Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Is it good? Lovely. Just okay. Okay. And then is I'm blah 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 years old. Kalau ini lebih spesifik ya. Misal teman-teman kan kita masih belasan ya guys ya. 17 biar kita bisa ulangan sweet 17. Okay. It's 17. Okay, so I'm 17 years old. Okay. I'm 17 years old. Ini lebih spesifik nih. And then is I'm almost. Kalau ini hampir ya, teman-teman. Semisal hampir 20 ya. I'm almost 20. I'm almost 34. I'm almost 35. I'm almost 44. It's the same. Almost. I'm almost. Artinya hampir gitu guys. Bisa dipilih salah satu teman-teman. Maybe the easiest way is I'm around. Saya sekitar aja biar menyamarkan gitu guys ya. I'm around 30. Padahal 39 guys. Besoknya itu udah 40. Tapi around 30s itu lebih bagus ya guys ya.
Kartu dia.
Ya biar kita muda guys. Oke gitu. It's okay. And then is I started. Ditanya nih guys. What is your educational background? I studied in. Boleh. I studied in. Itu kan digabungin. I studied in gitu guys. Kalau dipisah ya I studied in. Ini study verb 2 ya teman-teman dari study. Kan verb 2-nya studied. I started in and I finished in. Ini lebih ke tahunnya teman-teman. I started in 2024 and finished in 2034. Lama banget guys. 2026 gitu ya. Oke, itu lebih ke tahunnya teman-teman kalau in ya. I studied in itu lebih ke tahun. Kalau I studied at itu lebih ke tempatnya nanti. Oke, I graduated in, teman-teman lulus tahun berapa? I graduated in 2024 majoring. Bacanya is majoring, not mayor. Mayor itu adalah mayor ya teman-teman. That should be majoring. Ini bacanya gini. Majoring. Majoring itu jurusan teman-teman. Majoring. Ini cara bacanya. I graduated. Ini juga sama bacanya. Ada DU, D sama U, GNU, Ju. Graduated. Ya gini. Graduated. I graduated. Itu lebih baik. Teman-teman sebenarnya boleh kok baca graduated juga nggak apa-apa. Tapi akan lebih baik teman-teman pengucapannya graduated. Pokoknya ada D sama U itu lebih baik dibaca J. I graduated in 2024 majoring, berarti jurusannya teman-teman begitu. It was 3 years ago I finished my university. It was 10 years ago I finished my school. Boleh di-guess. Lebih ke tahunnya dan ya selesai apa nih? School kalau sekolah SMA, kalau kuliah ya my university, my college juga boleh. Oh, just say my study juga boleh kalau lebih ke
My
umum.
high school. My high
Good.
school.
It was 5 years ago I finished my high school. Boleh. Atau langsung my school aja, nggak apa-apa. Kalau
Oke.
kuliah, my university, my college. Atau paling umum, teman-teman, it was 10 years ago I finished my education. Pendidikan saya, gitu aja juga boleh secara umum. Oke.
Oke.
Itu teman-temannya, itu. And the next part is, what do you do in your leisure time? I spend my leisure time by, ingat semuanya harus diikuti gerund, verb ing, teman-teman. I spend my leisure time by cooking. I spend my leisure time by watching K-drama, nonton film drakor. I spend my leisure time by singing, nyanyi. And then I love doing cooking. Tetap teman-teman diikuti gerund verb ing. Nggak boleh kita bilang I love, saya suka memasak. I love doing cook. Nggak boleh tambah ing, cooking. Gitu ya. I'm into. Ini yang keren nih guys teman-teman. Boleh nih. Teman-teman mau bilang suka, saya suka apa? Biasanya kita bilangnya I like, I love. Teman-teman boleh pakai I'm into guys. Itu lebih keren. It's like a slang word. And it's really cool. I'm into cooking. Tetap diikuti verb ing ya. Berarti saya suka memasak. I'm into singing. Saya suka bernyanyi. I'm into apa nih guys? What is this? Anything ya, playing football. Ya, saya suka main football. Oke? Itu teman-teman.
I into playing.
Ya, I'm into playing. Playing apa? Playing football, playing apa ya? Jangan main-main perasaan ya, guys ya. That's so hard. Oke, main nih nanti. Shopping. I'm into shopping. Suka
Yes, I'm into
belanja.
shopping.
Yaps. Itu teman-teman. Lanjut guys. And then is number 6. I'm taking this class because, ya, saya ambil kelas ini karena apa? The reason why I'm taking this is, alasannya kenapa saya ambil kelas ini, karena apa nih guys ya? I want to speak English well because I want to speak English well, tapi the others, setelah teman-teman alasan kalian. I'm taking this class because, ya, apa nih? By the end of this class, I hope I can. Di akhir kelas nanti, saya harap saya bisa apa? By the end of this class, I hope I can speak English fluently. Boleh pakai gitu. The goal is to speak English well. Boleh. Tergantung teman-teman goalnya. Karena, oh iya guys, teman-teman remember, semuanya harus punya goal ya. Oke? Goal. Teman-teman pokoknya yang hari ini belum ketemu goal kalian kenapa ingin belajar bahasa Inggris. Oke? Like why? Silakan dicari goalnya masing-masing. Kenapa Bro Viko harus ada goal? Konsisten itu penting belajar guys. Hari ini yang ikut sampai 50-an. Minggu hari day by day, hari kelima, hari minggu kedua, ketiga, 3,5-nya. Who knows? So that's why teman-teman kalau ingin cepat bisa, be consistent. Cara konsistennya harus punya tujuan. Buat apa saya belajar bahasa Inggris? Kenapa saya memulai bahasa Inggris? Itu goal kalian. Yang mau nikah sama orang bule, boleh. Itu goal kalian. Yang mau kerja di luar negeri, boleh. Dapat scholarship juga boleh. It's up to you. Goalnya apa? Remember, find the reason. Find your goal, everyone. And then, guys, everyone, coba nih, guys. I ask you to read that. Siapa yang mau membaca? Angkat tangan sudah ya. Ini ada si Desi yang pertama. Si Desi, coba dibaca. Si Desi pilih salah satu ya. Semisal nomor 1 ini pakai my name is aja. Bapak, pilih salah satu semua dari jawaban di sini, guys ya. Yuk, si Desi, could you turn on your microphone, please? Desi. Let's
Okay,
go. Oke, yuk.
My name is Desi Ratnawati.
Oke. Nggak perlu diisi.
Oh,
Langsung.
dibaca aja.
Ya, oke.
Satu aja ya, Bro, yang di atas aja. Ya.
Ya, yang satu aja dipilih.
Oke, Bro. My name is.
Oke.
I work as. I'm around I studied in.
Study.
I
Study.
study in and finish in. I spend my leisure time by. I am taking this class because
Taking.
I am taking this class because
Mhm.
by the end of this class, I hope I can.
Wow, great job, Sis Jessie. Thank you so much. You are so good. Oke,
Oke.
that's for example everyone ya. Semuanya sudah bisa ya. Untuk kasih pertanyaan dan juga menjawab. Apakah teman-teman ada pertanyaan nih sebelum kita praktis? Yang mau ditanyakan, guys?
Nanya Bro Fik,
Ya, Bro Denny, silakan. Let's go. Apa?
Bro Fik,
Hmm,
about
Apa?
yang
Ini kembalian Mas Hendro.
Yang apa?
Lu
Denny?
nggak perlu. Ya.
Halo? Bro Denny, suaranya nggak kedenger nih. Bro Denny, halo. Oke,
halo
yuk.
ya Bro
Ya,
Fik.
gimana, Bro?
Bro Fik yang nomor 5 Bro Fik,
Ya, gimana?
yang I spend my leisure time by playing football, atau I love doing singing misalnya gitu kan. Nah, itu kan bisa dibilang daily activity ya. Kenapa nggak pakai simple present?
Oh, it's gonna be different, bro. Nah, kalau simple present-nya ini, bro. Bentuk simple present-nya ini. Nih, look at this. Ini ada simple present juga. I spend. Ini simple present nih. Nah, I love doing. Ini juga simple present. I love doing. Nah, verb ing ini bukan berarti present continuous, bro. Beda lagi. Oke. Nah, di sini itu kayak gerund. Kalimatnya ini simple present semua, bro. I spend my leisure time by. Langsung verb ing. Memang verb ing semua di sini gerund. Oke, tapi ini konteksnya tetap simple present. Bukan sedang. Kayak I am cooking. Itu baru present continuous. Artinya saya sedang memasak. Oke, bro.
Oh,
Denny?
jadi berarti itu Bro
Hah?
Fik maksudnya bukan simple present ya? Apa bukan
Bukan.
present continuous ya berarti ya pingnya,
Ya,
verb
ini
ing-nya itu?
bukan present continuous ya. Verb-nya itu bukan present continuous. Tetap simple present di sini. Oke?
Oke, I got it. Oke,
Alright.
thank you Bro Fik.
Good job, Mas. Welcome. Oke, teman-teman, sudah ya. Kita langsung praktis nih, guys. So, we are going to practice that. Nanti ada yang bertanya, ada yang menjawab, teman-teman. So, ini tetap Bro Vicky dahulukan yang angkat tangan ya, yang belum praktis tadi. Oke, guys. So, look at that. Nanti ada yang bertanya, ada yang menjawab. And I want to go with the first. Ini ada sis Mauliana. Sis Mauliana. Oke, halo. Mauliana.
Halo Bro Pik.
Hello. And you will practice with Bro Danny. Bro Danny, open your microphone again. Bro Danny.
Yes, okay,
Okay.
I got it.
Miss Mauliana, you can ask the question. And Bro Danny, answer the question. Let's go.
Okay, thank you, Bro.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Danny.
What do you do for living?
Halo.
Danny?
Halo?
Ya?
Oh ya, I'm
Living.
Apa nih?
Kalau karyawan apa ya, lupa.
Ya,
Sorry.
employee.
I am
Employee.
employed. I'm
An
employed. I'm an employer.
Good.
How old are you?
Putus suaranya dulu.
Iya
Mana sih
nih.
Brina?
Halo, Bro Danny, soalnya putus-putus nih Bro Danny. Kayak gangguan
Halo.
sinyal nih Bro Danny. Iya.
Yeah.
Iya.
I'm around 40s.
Okay.
What is your educational background?
I studied in
Okay.
University and finished in bachelor.
Bachelor degree, okay.
What do you do in your leisure time?
I spend my leisure time by watching football.
Okay.
Why did you take this course?
I'm
Fine.
taking this class because uh, learning about English and can speak English.
Okay.
What is your goal by the end of this class?
By the end of this class, I hope I can speak and communicate with my team with speak English.
Oh, great job. Thank you so much, Ms. Mauliana and Bro Danny. It's really
Okay, thank
nice
you, bro.
conversation you
Thank
had.
you, bro.
Good job. Nice. Okay, what about Bro Lutfi? Your part is Mrs. Meta. Okay. Bro Lutfi, you can ask the question. Mrs. Meta, you can answer the question. Okay, siap ya? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Meta.
What do you do for living?
I am a housewife.
How old are you?
I am around 30.
What is your educational background?
I studied in College of Health Science and finished in what's name associate
Graduate.
degree in midwifery.
Great.
Oh. What do you do in your leisure time?
I love doing scrolling my social media maybe.
Yes. What did you take this course?
I am taking this class because I want to improve my speaking skills.
Oh, good job. What is your goal by the end of this class?
By the end of this class, I hope I can speaking fluently.
Oh, great job. Thank you so much.
Oh,
So great,
thank
bro.
you.
Lutfi and Mrs. Meta. So nice. Okay. Go on. We have Bro Fero Wahyu and Sis Siti Purnami. Yeah. Bro Fero. Hello, Bro Fero. Could you turn on your microphone? Bro Fero Wahyu.
Girls,
Oh
I'm
my God. I'm so sorry.
bro.
I always forgot it. Oh my
Who
God.
will
Sis Fero.
answer?
Okay.
Okay,
Sis
hello,
Fero,
bro.
you can answer the question. Okay, Sis Fero. And
Okay.
Sis Siti, you need to
Yes, I am.
ask. Jadi
I
Sis
ask.
Vero yang Sis Vero
Okay.
yang jawab, Sis Siti yang
Answer your
bertanya.
question.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Veronica Wahyu.
Okay. What do you do for living and what is your job?
I'm working in a music course. And I'm as a administration staff. My job is administration staff. Maybe jawabnya gitu ya.
That's good, huh? I will best sebagai apa? Betul, Sis.
Okay.
Go on.
Yes. Sorry, how old are you?
I'm about 45 years old.
Good.
What is your educational background?
My educational background is about administration.
Okay. What do you do in your leisure time? Free time? What is your favorite activity to do?
In my leisure time, I usually reading a novel, and my favorite activity is watching the Netflix.
Good.
That's good. And why did you take this course?
I took this course because I would to make my ability and English increase.
increase.
Okay. What is your goal by the end of this class?
Okay. What is your last question? Your last question?
What is your goal? This is
What
Okay.
is your goal by the end of this class?
Okay, my goal is speaking more better in English and also more fluently. Maybe someday I will meet a bule. I will can chit
Yes.
chat with them fluently.
oh,
Thank you.
that's great. Thank you so much, bro.
That's
Sis
good
Vero, and Sis
enough.
Cindy.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, you had a great
Yes.
conversation. Sis Vero, you can say bule is foreigner.
Okay.
Okay, foreigner. I'm so
Foreigner
sorry.
is
Lata.
bule.
Okay,
That's okay.
foreigner.
It's a good conversation you had. Okay, it's gonna be
Okay,
enough for
thank
this
you.
time, guys. Yeah, so you can just use it when you want to introduce yourself. Okay, so we have asking and answering the question. The next part should be about this, everyone. Kita akan coba that is not dialog conversation, lebih ke langsung perkenalan seluruh gitu guys. So you introduce yourself in front of a lot of people, or maybe just your partners. You can use it. Yang pertama, hi partners, halo semuanya, atau hello everyone, hello guys, terserah teman-teman ya sebenarnya. Hi partners, hi friends, hi everyone. Okay, hello guys, boleh. Good afternoon, nanti digabung teman-teman diganti aja sesuai ya, karena ini kan pagi nih. Good morning all, good morning all. Boleh. Let me tell you about myself. Yang profil kita di merah diganti sesuai kaliannya. I'm Icha Dwi. You can call me as simple as Icha. Kamu bisa memanggilku sesimpel. As simple as itu artinya sesimpel Icha. I work in one of English. I work in, teman-teman dijelasin nih. Okay. I work in one of English course in Pare sebagai apa? Online tutor. Because I work in a school, maybe it's like maybe I work in a junior high school as English teacher. For example gitu. Kerja di apa tempat kalian atau perusahaan teman-teman sebagai apa di sana? Boleh. Okay. If you ask about my age, kalau teman-teman tanya umurku, gitu guys ya. If you ask about my age, I'm around 20s. Sekitar berapa nih? Still young, boleh. Teman-teman 60 ya, boleh pakai still young, is okay. It's no problem. I graduated, kan bacanya graduated from, mana nih guys teman-teman? Kalau graduated from atau graduated, itu lebih ke tempatnya atau universitasnya, teman-teman. I graduated from Gajah Mada University in tahunnya berapa? For spending my leisure time, usually I love to watch Korean drama on Telegram. Teman-teman, kalau ada I love to, harus diikuti yang namanya verb 1 ya. Oke. Teman-teman boleh bilang kayak gini. I love to, apa nih? Kalau to diikuti verb 1. I love to watch. Itu guys ya. Kalau teman-teman gak ada to-nya, berarti I love watching. Kayak tadi guys, ikuti verb ing. Okay. I love watching. Oh, this is too small. Ini guys ya. I love to watch bla bla bla. I love watching bla bla bla. Boleh gitu. Serah teman-teman. Kalau contohnya di sini adalah I love to watch Korean drama on Telegram. And I'm taking and dime digabungin semua guys. And I'm taking this class because I saw verb 2 dari C. I saw many ads on Instagram and I'm interested to follow it. Saya ambil kelas ini karena saya lihat banyak iklan di Instagram. Ya, saya tertarik untuk mengikutinya. And the last my goal is to be able to speak English well. Nah, goal saya terakhir nanti, di akhir kelas nanti, untuk bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. Thanks in advance. Thanks in advance. Advance. Thanks in advance itu terima kasih sebelumnya. Mau bilang terima kasih sebelumnya, kita nggak boleh bilang thanks before. Thanks, terima kasih, before sebelumnya. No, you should say thanks in advance. Okay? Ingat, bahasa Inggris gak bisa diartikan satu persatu. Okay? Wow, guys. Yep. Let's continue, guys, teman-teman. Vicky panggil ya, yang belum nih. So I want to go with Sis Febri Melia Choi. Sis Febri. Sis Febri Melia. Come on, introduce yourself here. Hey.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Let me tell you about myself. I'm Febri Meliasari. You can call me as simple as Febri. I'm a housewife.
Okay. Langsung aja,
if you ask about my age, I'm around 30s, still young. I graduated from Padang State University in 2016. For spending my leisure time, usually I love reading and watching the podcast on YouTube. And I'm taking this class because I saw many ads on Instagram and I'm interested to follow it. And the last, my goal is to be more fluent to speak English, and maybe I can be a practice partner in English for my children. Thank you. Thanks in advance.
Wow, great job, Sis Febri. You are so good at telling yourself. Glad to know you, Sis Febri. Okay, what about Sis Juliana? That's your turn. Sis Juliana Genting, it's your turn.
Hi.
Hey. Yeah.
Good morning, all.
Morning.
Let me tell you about myself. I am Juliana Ginting. You can call me as simple as Julie. I work in elementary school as principal. If you ask about my age, I am around 50s. Still young.
Yeah.
I graduated from UGM Yogyakarta.
Graduated.
Graduated.
Ini graduated. Nih, ini sis. Ini sis, Bro Fit tulis cara bacanya di atasnya ya. Graduated gitu. Lulus artinya.
Ya.
Graduated.
I'm graduated from UKRIM in 2025.
Okay.
For spending my leisure time, usually I love to watching.
To watch. Kalau watch, kalau itu ada watch-nya.
To watch China drama.
Okay. Wow.
And I'm taught this class because I saw many ads in Facebook, and I'm interested to follow it. And then my goal is to speak English fluently with my team in school. Thanks in expense.
Wow, great job, Sis Julie. You are so good at telling that. Lovely. Nice. Glad to meet you, Julie.
Glad to meet you too.
Sure. And what about the others? Nih yang belum ada Sis Jus Maniar. What about you? That's your turn. Okay.
Hello, guys. Good morning. Yeah, let me tell you about myself. I'm Niar. I am Jusma Niar. You can call me as simple as Niar. I work in a hospital as a nurse. If you ask about my age, I'm around 40s. Still young. I graduated from Stickers in 2015. For spending my leisure time, I usually love to playing with my daughter.
To play
with my daughter. And I'm taking this class because I saw many ads on Instagram and I'm interested to follow it. And the last, my goal is to be able to speak English well. And thanks in advance.
Wow, great job. Thank you so much. You are so good, sis. Really cool. Okay, we have done it, everyone. And Bro Fanes, that's your turn, Bro Fanes. Let's go.
Thank you, Bro Vicky.
Sure.
Hi, partners. Good afternoon, all.
Hey, good morning, bro.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Good morning, all. Let me tell you about myself. I am Vanes Emmanuel. You can call me as simple as Nes. I am a student. If you ask about my age, I'm around 20s, still young. I undergraduate from Esanggul University in 2022. For spending my leisure time, I usually love to play guitar, and I'm taking this class because I saw many ads on Instagram and I'm interested to follow it. And the last, my goal is to be able to speak English well. Thanks in advance.
Wow, so amazing. Thank you so much, Bro Fanes. So good. Lovely. Okay, what about sis Juliana? That's your time. Your time. Let's go.
Okay, hi partners. Good morning, all. Let me tell you about myself. I'm Juliana. Just call me Yuli. And I'm a housewife. If you ask about my age, I'm around 30s, still young. I graduated from vocational high school in 2008. And then I spend my leisure time by scrolling TikTok, playing online games, and sometimes my neighbor and I cooking together. And I'm taking this class because I need to brush up the lessons I learned before. And my goal is to be able to speak English well. Thanks in advance. Thank you, bro.
Wow, so good. Thank you so much, Juliana. Glad to hear that. The last case, I would like to ask Bro Komar. Bro Komar, that's your turn. Let's go.
Thank you very much, Vicky.
Sure.
Hi, partners. Good morning, all. Let me tell you about myself. I am Komar Isahi. You can call me as simple as Komar. I work in Kriya therapy. Saya as acupuncture therapist. If you ask about my age, I'm around 40. I feel still young also.
That's good.
I graduated from Esa Unggul University in 2015. For spending my leisure time, usually I love to watch educational podcast in YouTube. Then I am talking this class because I want to understand about English educational podcast.
Okay.
And I am interested to follow it. At last, my goal is able to friend English communicated with friends. Thanks in advance. Thank you very much.
Great job. Thank you so much, Bro Komar. You are so good at telling that. So, guys, this is for example, if you want to introduce ourselves completely in the whole sentence, you can use this one. Teman-teman punya cara lain? That's okay. That's totally fine. Or just use it. Ya guys ya. Okay. I would highlight here tadi teman-teman. Di sini ada yang namanya hobi tadi. Usually I love to. Teman-teman ingat nih. Di sini teman-teman it depends on you ya, teman-teman. Usually I usually tuh boleh banget ya teman-teman. I usually sama aja kok. Biasanya saya biasanya juga boleh. I usually love, kalau ada to-nya, I love to watch. I love to watch. Ada to-nya teman-teman diikuti verb 1. I love to watch, I love to sing. Remember that one. Kalau nggak ada to-nya langsung verb ing gerund. Kita nggak boleh bilang I love watch, itu nggak boleh. I love watching. Kita juga nggak boleh bilang I love to watching. I love to singing. No. We just say I love to watch or I love watching. Got it, everyone? Aman ya? Okay, guys, so those are the vocabularies today anyway. And anyone has a question? Teman-teman ada pertanyaan nggak nih, guys? Pada hari ini nih.
Yes,
Halo, bro.
Anyone? Ya, Sis Ria. Yo.
To ask about egg. Kenapa ya pakai around ya? Berarti not sure ya?
Iya, tadi siswa tadi baru join atau udah
Yes.
tadi? Oh iya, baru
Unless-
join. Oh
Masih
iya,
ada.
sis. Jadi nanti bisa ditonton juga ya, siswa ya. Oke. Jadi tadi ada 3 cara. Ada bilang round, ya tadi di sini tadi di pelajaran sebelumnya tadi. Round itu artinya lebih ke sekitar ini. I'm around, saya sekitar. Jadi pakai cara umumnya gitu, siswa ya. Biar nggak tahu spesifiknya, bilangnya I'm around 20s. Sekitar 20-an, 30s siswa ya. Kalau mau yang spesifik langsung siswa juga boleh. I'm 13 years old juga boleh. I'm almost, kalau almost itu lebih ke hampir artinya. Saya hampir berapa tahun. Gitu siswa ya. Oke, siswa ya. Saya pilih salah
Thank you,
satu.
bro.
Oke, good job. Oke, lanjut guys
Bro.
teman-teman.
Halo, bro.
Halo. Ya.
Iya. Gimana kalau kita mau bilang masalah job itu kita punya usaha sendiri? Gimana
Oh,
ngomongnya?
you can say I'm a entrepreneur. I have atau aja. Teman-teman ditanya seperti tadi nih. Gimana nih? What do you do for living? Oh, I have a business gitu aja langsung. Atau I am apa gitu ya? Tergantung teman-teman ya. Just say I am an
Woman?
entrepreneur. Ya, business woman. I am entrepreneur aja ya, pengusaha gitu.
Kalau
Business
pedagang
woman.
apa tuh pedagang?
It's the same teman-temannya.
Oh, the
Seller
same.
lebih. I am a seller. Itu ya. I am a
Oke.
seller and I sell. Nih guys. Nah, yuk boleh. Atau langsung aja. I'm an entrepreneur. Pengusaha. Just make it general juga boleh. Okay?
Oke, thank you, bro.
Alright. Okay. Okay guys, yeah. I think that's gonna be enough for this time. This is our topic we have been learning so far. Okay? And besok kita akan belajar tentang culinary and food. Okay? And tomorrow we start to have a background room. Besok kita sudah mulai background room teman-temannya. Dan kita akan bahas tentang ini juga biar kita tambah kenal ya sebelum diskusi tentang background room besok. Atau sebelum kita topik awal kita atau topik kedua kita maksudnya. And we just have this on the breakout room. Baru teman-teman diskusi tentang makanan. Okay? So don't miss the class tomorrow. Mulai besok juga seperti biasa kayak kelas sebelumnya. Jadi setelah kita kelas, teman-teman setelah kita breakout room ya, pasti Bro Vicky minta salah satu untuk ngelakuin atau 1 minute challenge. Jadi teman-teman Bro Vicky misal nih kayak kemarin ya, teman-teman yang baru join sama Bro Vicky, teman-teman ketika kita udah selesai breakout room nanti ada sesi namanya 1 minute challenge. Bro Vicky pilih salah satu untuk jelasin apa yang teman-teman katakan atau diskusikan sama teman kalian nih di breakout room tadi. Gitu. Selama 1 menit biar melatih speaking kita. Bro Vicky kasih timer guys ya. Random Bro Vicky panggil siapapun random. Salah satu ya teman-teman. Gitu. Okay? So that's about tomorrow. And sebelum kelas selesai, teman-teman Bro Vicky juga mau teman-teman kasih kata-kata ya guys ya. Kata-kata hari ini gitu. Okay? You can say it in English, you can say it in bahasa. Start from tomorrow. Okay guys ya. Thank you for coming everyone. This is our topic and last close our class today. The last I say guys, speaking partner.
Speaking
the best partner. What's password guys? Bye bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.
See you tomorrow.
you too.